Welcome. In this tutorial, we will guide you through how to download Pokémon Go on your Android or iOS device. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store if you are using Android device or the App Store if you are on an iPhone. You can find these apps on your home screen. Once you are in the store, tap on the search bar and type in Pokémon Go. This will show the official Pokémon Go app in the search results. Look for the app titled Pokémon Go developed by Niantic. Make sure you select the official app to avoid downloading any fake versions. Now tap the download or install button. The app will begin downloading and it should only take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, tap Open to launch Pokémon Go. Now you are all set to begin your adventure in the world of Pokémon Go. And that's it, you have successfully downloaded Pokémon Go and are ready to start playing. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you so much.